Okay, so what do you think? Self care is important? I think it's very important. It is essential in our life. So, how important it is to accept ourselves, to love ourselves, and to, you know, really take care of ourselves. How many times have been the case where when we were crying, we were there to wipe our tears and not depend on somebody and not think that I am always there for that person. He or she is never there for me. Have this been the case with you for once also? I don't think so. Despite the fact that I don't know you as a person or anybody sitting here and listening to this, but then there is nobody who can judge you, who can know you better than who you are. Take proper sleep, take proper care of yourself, and listen to music, do something you love. Everything is important, every step by step, because self care is a practice. It takes days, months, years to genuinely take care of you. When you have a children, how do you instantly connect with that child, and you take care of him or her for your entire life. So just imagine that child you are with is not there from you with you, because like from the beginning, but you are the one person who was there with you since the time you were born, and still you couldn't love yourself. What more can you ask from yourself? Don't put so much of pressure on yourself. Just don't. With the recent outbreak of coronavirus, how much the suicidal and the mental health problems have increased in the world. It's increasing at a rapid rate. So, what is the reason? Have you or have anybody wondered what is the reason exactly? The reason here is mental peace. People have lost their mental peace. Firstly, staying at one place, locked, you know, just couldn't go out for 3 months, and then thereafter we were, there was lack of food. Maybe the financial problems also exist to most of us. So everything exists, right? So what if you had mental peace? What if you knew that all these problems are temporary, and we can just live with it? Maybe we have to sacrifice few things, but it's okay to sacrifice, right? Is it okay? Rather than sacrificing your life, it's okay to sacrifice few things in life. Don't give up on your life. There's nothing more important than loving yourself. Just keep one thing in life: your parents have not given you birth so that they can see you killing yourself. I understand, most of us will say that we can't talk to our parents because they are not so much friendly, or even if they are friendly, we do not connect with them so much, or we can't say all of our problems to our parents, and that's fine. You can't say everything to your parents. You have friends for that. What if your friends are not available? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought of maintaining a diary? That's also important. That can also help you in understanding who you are as a person. Do SWOT analysis of yourself. You will understand. You will understand your strengths, your weaknesses, your reason for happiness, where you want to pursue your life ahead, what roads do you want to take in your life. Everything is important, because at the end of the day, all of this correlate and form a big circle, and helps us to identify the little and the most important joyful things in our life. Just remember one last thing that I'm going to say, that self-care is the remedy to all your problems, because when you start loving yourself, all these problems vanish away. They just vanish away. And trust me when I say that, because you are a human being, I am a human being. You have your shares of ups and downs, and so do I. So if I can stand here with this smiley bubbly face, so do you. Not everybody is extrovert, not everybody can speak up their feelings. Make sure to write them up. Just do something which can release your pressure, and just help you to identify what makes you happy. I'm sure you have a passion. Follow that. I have a passion. I love cooking. If I am sad, I just go and make a normal sabzi. That releases my stress, and it does. And after cooking, I feel so happy. It's like I've achieved something in life. Because what makes you happy? When you achieve something in life, or your people you love are around you. What now? Just tell me one thing. You are happy when people you love are around you. Just imagine how happy you will be when the person you love the most is sitting right beside you, within you, and trust me, there is not going to be a single frown moment. When you will start accepting yourself, you will start loving yourself. Start giving yourself some time, get peaceful sleep, listen to music, learn to dance, start learning, start living. You'll have a happy life and make your life a worth living one, okay?